Within an extruder, it's necessary for the product to be near its melting point for optimal blending and cooking, and above its melting point to exit the die. However, changes in recipes and raw material sources can create process challenges for an extruder operator, especially to maintain consistency. This is the Phase Transition Analyzer from Wenger. It was designed to provide data needed to ensure quality and process optimization even when ingredients change. It measures the transition points of a material as it moves from a glassy state to a flexible semi-solid to a liquid at different temperatures and moisture levels. The test process starts by placing a measured sample of ingredients into the unit. Once the chamber is secured, the process can begin. The sample is heated at a gradually increasing temperature under fixed pressure. Within minutes, data is recorded and ready to be analyzed. Cleanup is simple, and the PTA can be ready for another test very quickly. Knowing the phase transition temperatures of ingredients provides a way to accurately map the extrusion process, to better manage moisture and energy inputs during operation, to ensure quality and consistency of extruded products, and to improve overall system performance.